formulated for women put together for 3 months called blocked fallopian tubes kits. Best for women with tubal blockage, hydrosalpinge, uterine adhesion, and for women who desire to open up their tubes, enhance their fertility to get pregnant naturally. Product description: blocked fallopian tubes kit is formulated to break down adhesion and treat inflammation in the fallopian tubes with simple all-natural procedures to follow to open up blocked tubes, support proper fallopian tube function, and enhance fertility to support women to conceive naturally. Product benefits: blocked fallopian tubes kit helps to gently detoxify your body system daily and prevent the body from accumulating toxins. It assists in killing bacteria and infections in the fallopian tubes. It breaks down adhesion and scar tissue from the fallopian tubes. It activates the lymphatic system and increases the healing of the reproductive organs. It supports the nervous, endocrine, and circulatory systems. It purifies the blood and increases blood circulation to the fallopian tubes. It eliminates inflammatory responses and brings balance to the fallopian tubes and reproductive organs. It balances the hormones to assist in regulating ovulation, preparing women to conceive while opening up the fallopian tubes. It completely opens up fallopian tubes and enhances fertility at the same time for a quick conception. It helps a woman to achieve pregnancy even if it's one tube by enhancing the tube. It provides the body with the energy needed for preconception. It cleanses the womb, strengthens the overall reproductive organs, and helps you conceive naturally. You can order blocked fallopian tubes kit now to break down adhesions, enhance fallopian tube functions, and get pregnant